Hello. In this video, we're going to start talking about the math skill called completing the square. Completing the square is one way to solve a quadratic equation. And you know that in order to master something, you must know the terminology, so we're going to go over some quadratic equation terminology in this video. Here is the typical quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, what is the terminology that goes along with this equation? Number one, there's the x squared term, and in this case it's ax squared. So it consists of a coefficient. The coefficient is a, and then the other part of that term is the x squared. Next you have the x term, which in our standard equation is bx, and that consists also of a coefficient and x. The coefficient in this case is b. And finally, you have a constant term, c, which will be a number. C will be a number. So what does a square look like? When they talk about completing the square, that means that the square looks like this: x, which is the variable in the quadratic equation, plus n, which is a number, the whole quantity squared, equals m, which is another number. So n and m are numbers. And so we see, therefore, completing the square, when they say completing the square, means going from this form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, to this form, x plus n squared equals m. And in further videos, we'll talk about the mechanics of completing the square.